Yes, very good morning, dear students. I'm going to discuss one more concept, and I think it is the last concept in electricity chapter. The concept is electric power, and I think you have idea about power. So again, we are discussing here this concept. So we know very well the definition of electric power is. So it is a rate of doing work in electric circuit is called electric power. So rate, whenever we are calling the rate means automatically the time will come, right? So that is the meaning of rate here. So the rate of doing work in electric circuit is called electric power, or the rate at which energy is used in electric circuit is called electric power. See here in this definition, so I told about rate. So but in this definition I told work, and in this definition I told energy. So what is the relation between work and energy? And we know very well work is always form of energy, right or not? So for that only, the rate of doing work in electric circuit is called electric power, or the rate of at which energy is used in electric circuit is called electric power. So from that, so the definition is power equal to work by time. Power equal to work by time, that is in the terms P equal to W by T, where P is power, W is work, T is time equation. Or from the second definition, power equal to energy by time. Why? Because we know very well work is a form of energy. So for that name, that is in the form of terms P equal to E by time. So it is equation 1, it is equation 2. So see from equation 1, P equal to W by T. So but we know very well potential difference equal to W by Q. Already at the time of potential difference I given this formula, V equal to W by Q. So but V equal to W by Q and W equal to VQ. So that one I am substitute here, VQ by T. Right or not? But from current, electric current formula is I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. So for that only in the form of Q by T I substitute I. Then it is a V into I. Then power equal to what? Product of velocity into current. Velocity or potential difference? It is a potential difference, not a velocity. So for that only, just you have to remember, just don't go to blindly, right? Yes, actually velocity is nothing but what? It is a V bar. Why? Because it is a vector, but it is a potential difference, right? Then power equal to potential difference into I, or it is a voltage into current. So it is from equation 3 it is. From equation 3 we know very well from Ohm's law V equal to IR. So I substitute that V equal to IR into I. Then it is I square R, right? So again from equation 3 P equal to VI, we know V equal to IR, then I equal to V by R. I substitute I equal to V by R, then it is a V square by R. See, these are the different formulas related to power. See, first formula is P equal to W by T, P equal to U by E by T, P equal to V into I, P equal to I square R, and P equal to V square R, right? So these are the formulas are only per power, right? So depending upon the problem, depending upon the what are the quantities they given, we can use these formulas. And we know SI unit of power is what? Why? Because we have only magnitude, there is no direction. So I mean power is a scalar quantity. SI unit of power is watt. Why? Because why scalar quantity means it is only magnitude, there is no direction. But SI unit of power is what already we know. See from note 1, P equal to V into I. This is the formula. This formula is power is in terms of V and I. And second formula P equal to I square R. This power is in terms of I and R. I and R. This formula P equal to V square R. This power is in terms of V and R. So the problem is given V and R, we can use this formula. The problem is given I and R, we can use I square R. So whatever they given the quantities, so depending upon that we can use these formulas. Yes, dear students, I want to discuss 2 or 3 problems related to this power and that joules heating. Yes. See, first formula is compute the heat generated while transferring 96,000 coulombs of charge in 1 hour through a potential difference of 50 volt. Again, I'm telling, again, I'm repeating, whatever they given, what we have to find out, first you have to write. After that, you can detect easily. Yes, we have to find out this one. So, what they are given this much. So, like that, we can easily, we can do solution for that problem. See, they given the problem Q. Coulombs means charge, 96,000 coulombs. Potential difference they given, I think 50 volt. Time they given 1 hour. In the form I will convert this into seconds. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 means 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 60 into 60 seconds, 3600 seconds. Now heat is produced equal to W equal to Q by QV. Why? Why? Because V equal to W by Q, then W equal to Q into V. Right? This work only this heat energy only converted into electrical energy, but heat energy is the form of some work, right? So further I am taking here some heat. Work is a form of energy. That energy I considering here heat energy. The further turn W equal to 96,000 into 50 volt, that is nothing but W equal to 48 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. Next, just students, one more problem. An electrical iron of resistance 20 ohm takes a current of 5 ampere. Calculate the heat generated in 30 seconds. What they given? Are they given? Current they given? Again, here we have to find out heat energy. I think this time we can use I square RT. Yes, T they given. H I square RT, that it is a joules heating. Then H equal to I square RT is nothing but H equal to I square means 5 whole square into R means 20 into 30. Then it is 25 into 20 into 30. Finally we will get 15 kilojoules. We can do this calculation. Finally we got how much? 15 kilojoules. 15 kilojoules is nothing but what? 50,000 joules. 1 kilojoule is nothing but 10 cube joules. 1 kilojoule is nothing but what? Kilo means 10 cube joules. Kg means 1000 grams, like that. See, one more problem, dear students. An electrical motor takes 5 ampere from a 220 volt line. Determine the power and energy consumed in 2 hours. So here we have to find out power and energy also. Yes, they given what they given, I they given, potential difference they given, time also they given. Right, time also they given. Yes, 2 hours they given. So 2 hour I convert into seconds. 16 to 16 to 2, then 7200 seconds. So we know V into a direct power formula, V into I. So, and again we have to find out energy also. Energy also I told P equal to E by T, then E equal to P into T. So then E equal to P into, then again E equal to what? V into I. E is nothing but what? Energy. Right? Yes. And it is C equal to P into T, or W equal to P into T, and P equal to V into I. So further only V into I into T, then V means was 220, I means 5, T means what? 7200. You finally will get 7920000 joules. See, dear students, it is an NCERT problem. I think this it is 2000. Last year batch question. This is the last year batch question. Same question they are asking in last year batch. Your seniors are facing this question. This question is nothing there, nothing is there. See, which of the following terms does not represent electrical power in circuit? We know very well from, just to leave it that P equal to VI. For example, if you substitute V equal to IR, then IR into I is nothing but I square R. And you can substitute I equal to V by R, it is V square by R. So these are the three formulas power related. See, it is a VI is there, I square R is there, and V square by R is there, but IR square is not there. So for that only here B is the correct answer. Hence obviously IR square does not represent electrical power in a circuit. Yes, dear students, thank you.